Gallatin County Attorney says he will continue pursuing the case of a downtown Bozeman bar that's accused of violating the local emergency health rule for closing time. And that's despite the Montana Attorney General telling him to dismiss it. MTN's Cody Boyer was in the Gallatin City County Board of Health meeting this morning and tells us what happened.
At the beginning of the meeting, Matt Kelly said outright that this entire COVID-19 situation is like putting together a large puzzle. But also at the beginning, the Board of Health voted, excluding one nay vote, to continue the suit against the Rocking R bar.
I tell you right now, I have not accommodated the Attorney General. It was probably impossible to do that anyway.
Gallatin County Attorney Marty Lambert opened Wednesday morning's virtual meeting with the Board of Health nearly 1 week after Montana Attorney General Austin Knudsen sent Lambert a message.
I was to dismiss the case of Gallatin City County Board of Health and Health Officer Matt Kelly versus the Rocking R bar. I don't dismiss things, first of all, without consulting with my client.
4 people spoke in Rocking R owner Mike Hope's defense in public comment, including fellow Bozeman business owner Kyle Voigtlander and Cheryl Tuscan.
I highly encourage you guys to dismiss this case. It's hurt Mike Hope's business. It's hurt other businesses.
And I think you guys owe the small businesses and Rocking R bar an apology for singling them out.
Similar words stated by Knudsen in the press release last week, which in part read, "The 10 o'clock closure rule defies common sense. This type of government overreach is devastating to Montana workers and small businesses."
He said that businesses are being held hostage.
Lambert told the board that one factor stands above others in his request to continue the suit. It's a civil case, not state.
Austin Knudsen is now serving as the Attorney General for the state of Montana. Parties here are you and Matt Kelly and the Rocking R bar. And that is just different in so many aspects.
In the end, the board voted 7-1 in favor of following through with the suit. Lambert says the temporary injunction on the bar is still set until March 1st. At that time or before, he adds a range of options could happen, such as the 2 parties agree to resolve the issue or the injunction could be extended.
There are many things at play here. The fact that this is a civil case puts this on an entirely different footing.
In Gallatin County, Cody Boyer, MTN News.
Cody reached out to the Rockin' R bar owner Mike Hope following the meeting, who responded.
I think it's a shame that our local health board would continue to go after small business like they are. I believe we've been a really good part of this community and we give back to the community, and what we really are wanting is the opportunity for our staff to make a living and the rest of our industry to move forward. I think you got a bunch of power-hungry, unelected officials making decisions that are affecting livelihoods.
Cody also reached out to the Montana Attorney General's office and has not yet heard back.